In this next video about logarithms, we're going to talk about the rules we can use when solving problems that involve logarithms. In this video, I'm not going to go into the proofs of how these rules work, simply how we can use them to solve and find an answer. The first rule is the power rule, which is that log of a value of x raised to the power of n is equal to n times the log of that value x. So if I have here log of 7 to the power of 3, that is equal to 3 times log of 7. Same as in class, if you saw something that said 3 times log of 7, you'd have to think, hang on, that is the same as log of 7 to the power of 3. So let's see they are the same. Log of 7 to the power of 3 is the log of 343. Put those numbers into your calculator, we get this approximate value here. Using the other one, this is 3 times log 7, 3 times this value, we see we have the same final answer. Next one is the product rule. Remember, these rules work in both directions. So log of A plus log of B is equal to the log of A times B. So here we might have log of 12 plus log of 5 is equal to log of 12 times 5, which is log 60. Same as if you're in class and you saw log of 12 times 5, you'd have to think, I know that's the same as log 12 plus log 5. Again, let's see it. So we enter into our calculator log 12 plus log 5. We will get these two values here. Sum them together, here's our approximate answer. We enter in log of 60, we get the same answer again. So this here is our product rule. Next is our quotient rule. Again, remembering it works in both directions. So if we have log of A minus log of B, it's equal to the log of A divided by B. So for example, if we had the log of 35 divided by 7, well, that's the same as log of 5. But we could also rewrite this part here to say log of 35 over 7 is log of 35 minus the log of 7. So again, we go to our calculator, we put in these two values, we get these two approximate numbers. They sum to give us this here. If we just went and put log 5 in, again we see we come to the same final solution. Last two rules, and these are really more just applying what we already know. So what if we take the log of 1 over x? From what we know about exponents, 1 over x can be written as x to the power of negative 1. Applying the power rule we started with at the beginning, that means we can write what we have here of log to the 1 over x can be written as x and the negative of log x. So that means if I have log of 1 over 8, that's the same as log of 8 to the power of negative 1, which is the same as the negative of log 8. So again, if I put log 1 and 8 into my calculator, I get this approximate value. If I put in log of 8, I get this number here, take its negative, we see again, we get the same thing. So log of 1 over x is simply equal to the negative log of x. Finally, the log base 10 of 1 is always 0. This is because 10 raised to the power of 0 is 1. We know that anything raised to the power of 0 is always 1. But in regards to log 10, this means the log 10 of 1 is 0 because 10 raised to the power of 0 will equal 1. So now that we've gone through what all these rules are, the next video coming up after this is going to talk about how we can apply these rules to solving questions we would come up with in maths class.